Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 6th of August. And first of all, national news. India offered to sell 18 fighter jets to Malaysia. India has offered to sell 18 light combat aircraft Tejas to Malaysia, the Defence Ministry said on Friday. South Kerala gets respite from rain, orange alert in 8 northern district. PM Modi to chair Niti Aayog Governing Council meeting on 7 August. No tree cutting in RA, only trimming. Metro body to Supreme Court. Ayodhya Ram Temple to open in 2024, 40% work completed. Engineers said. Renew Power, HSBC India to provide solar electricity, climate education to 75 schools. Process underway to appoint next Chief Justice of India, Law Minister. New Delhi, Congress MPs lead by party chief Sonia Gandhi Friday wore black to parliament to protest against the rising prices and unemployment. World's largest floating solar plant set to be built in Madhya Pradesh. And now some international news. Bad days ahead, warned Pakistan's finance minister. 68 Chinese planes, 13 warships crossed median line on Friday, Taiwan said. China ending cooperation with US on many issues amid Taiwan row. Meal slots, no talking. Japan companies face unpredictable COVID again. And now some sports news. Commonwealth Games, Bhavina Patel assured India another medal. Reach final of para table tennis classes 3-5. Manika Batra, Srija Akula reach women's singles quarterfinals. Kidambi Shrikant entered badminton quarterfinals. Sharat Kamal advances in TT. Wrestling venue emptied at Birmingham after security alert. And now let's have a look on business news. Sensex Nifty end with gains after RBI hikes rates to highest since 2019. India's 2022-23 fiscal deficit may come at 6.5%, SBI research said. RBI hikes key rate by 0.50% to 5.40%, highest since 2019. Ready to do whatever it takes to stabilize inflation, rupee, RBI governor. RBI keeps inflation projection for 2022-23 unchanged at 6.7%. Piped cooking gas price hiked by Rs 2.63 per unit in Delhi NCR. India offered to sell 18 fighter jets Tejas to Malaysia. NRIs can pay utility bills using Bharat Bill Payment System, RBI. And let's have a look on weather. On 6th of August, the temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 33 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 28 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.